How to redeem Boohoo gift card online. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to redeem your Boohoo gift card. So make sure to watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open your web browser and type www.boohoo.com and press enter. And here you can log into your account by clicking on the human icon at the top right corner. But if you have already logged in, you'll see your username displayed there. And now to use a gift card, you need to select a product and apply the card during the checkout. So let me walk you through the process. Browse the website and select the item that you like to purchase and simply click on the product. Now adjust the details like size, colors and quantity if needed. And once you're done with that, you can simply click on add to cart. And after that, you can simply click on checkout. Now on the next page, you simply need to enter your shipping address and billing details. So simply fill in all the credentials that is needed, and once you're done with that, you can simply click on proceed to billing, and on the next page you will be provided a gift card number box. So simply enter your gift card number and click apply gift card to redeem it, and that's it. That's how you can redeem your Boohoo gift card. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.